Alright, let's get straight to it. Google is on an absolute AI rampage in 2026. If you're a professional trying to stay ahead, you'll want to pay attention. I just spent the week diving into their newest innovations, and let me tell you, the future feels a lot closer than ever. First up, Gemini 3.1 Pro. This isn't just another AI chatbot. It's a powerhouse for reasoning and problem solving, and it's honestly wild how smart it's gotten. You can throw complex real-world scenarios at it, legal questions, engineering dilemmas, research summaries, and it'll break them down step by step. Need a contract reviewed? Want to plan a product launch? Gemini 3.1 Pro is basically your AI co-strategist, but it doesn't stop there. Let's talk about Veo 3.1. Imagine describing a scene, a drone shot over a neon-lit city at night, and boom, Veo generates a hyper-realistic video in seconds. It's not just deepfakes or basic animations, it's cinematic quality. Think instant pitch decks, client demos, or even just stunning content for your socials. The creative game has changed forever. Now if music is your thing, meet Lyria 3. This is where it gets fun. Lyria 3 lets you create original music just by describing the mood or vibe you want. Uplifting electronic for a morning routine, or melancholic piano for a video intro. It composes, arranges, and even helps you fine-tune. No musical background needed. I played with it and the results, seriously impressive and a huge time saver for anyone in media or marketing. The real magic though, is how all this ties together inside the Gemini app. It's your command center for writing, planning, researching, and now, generating music. It's fast, intuitive, and packed with features that make work feel less like, well, work. And it gets even better. Google's gone all in on integration. You can pull up Gemini tools right inside Chrome for real-time insights while you browse, or use it in Gmail to draft smarter replies, summarize threads, and basically cut your inbox time in half. NotebookLM has also leveled up. Think of it as your AI research assistant, organizing your notes, finding key ideas, even helping you prepare reports. Behind the scenes, Google's pushing the envelope with things like Gemini 3 Deepthink for scientific research, and Agentic Vision in Gemini 3 Flash, making the AI smarter and more visually aware than ever. They're also doubling down on responsible development, so you're not just getting power, you're getting trust. With Google I/O coming up in May, I'm expecting even more insane updates. But if you want to get ahead right now, head over to gemini.google.com and try it for yourself. These tools aren't just futuristic, they're practical, and they're ready to take your workflow to the next level. So, are you ready to see what AI can really do? Check out Gemini, Lyria, Veo, and all the upgrades today. The future's here, and honestly, it's too good to miss. Try Gemini now at gemini.google.com.